All right, so new for 2025, the USDA income limits have been updated. So for those of you that don't know, the USDA loan is a loan program that allows you to buy a home in rural or more suburban areas, typically with populations of less than 25,000, and you don't need a down payment. Now, one of the unique features of the loan program is that it doesn't have loan limits like conventional or FHA loans do, meaning there's no maximum amount of house that you can buy. However, it does have an income limit. And so USDA has an income limit that basically states this is how much you can make in gross income as a household in order to qualify for this program. Now, the household income limit is calculated for any person that's living in the home that earns an income, and they will ask for tax returns and W-2s even for people that are not on the loan. So if it's you and your spouse, then both of your incomes together. But if you have like a mother or a father or even an older child in the home and they're working, they will ask for income documentation on that, and their income is included in this income limit. Now, for most people, it's not a big deal. It's just mom and dad or maybe mom or whatever, but it is something that you need to know. And the household income limit was updated. So it was like $112,000 for most areas last year outside of higher cost areas. That is not the areas that my channel typically reaches. Obviously there are outliers like Hawaii, Los Angeles, New York, like all those places. Those are going to be different. Like I think in San Diego, the limit is much higher. It's like up to 190 something thousand or something like that. But for most of the areas like Louisiana and Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, like the areas that my channel and we reach, it has been updated. Hey, it's Channing. Do you enjoy my videos? I'd love to work with you. I want you to go to workwithchanning.com and you can book a call on my calendar where I will walk with you personally one-on-one to help you with all things home buying, all things home refinancing. If you're in the market or you just have questions, you're not sure where to start, go to workwithchanning.com. It'll put you on my calendar and we can have a great conversation and get you on the right path to purchasing or refinancing your next home. So if you have 4 people or less in your home, and this is proved with your tax returns, by the way, they'll look at your dependents. The income is $119,850. So it's up about $7,000 from last year, which is great. If you have 5 or more people in your household, again, proven by tax returns, the new income limit is $158,250. Now, this is for the USDA guaranteed loan. This is the loan that I can offer you as a mortgage broker, right? This is not for the USDA direct loan. In fact, it seems like that program is about to get phased out. Those limits are much lower. So I don't really cover that in my videos because I can't do those loans, but they are less than half of what the income limits are for this program. So for most areas, you're going to see that $119,850. Occasionally, there's going to be areas that are more higher cost. Think like Dallas, think like Miami, think like New York City, think like Los Angeles, where those income limits will be higher. But here's the catch is that there's almost no areas around there that are eligible for USDA loans. I mean, you're getting into really, really densely populated areas. The loan program just doesn't work there. So like I said, for most folks, it's that $119,850 for the 1 to 4 and the $158,250 for the 5 person or more. It's a great improvement. The thing that I love about the USDA program, it's a great down payment assistance program, right? No down payment needed. The interest rate isn't any different than FHA, which requires 3.5% down, which is not the case with most down payment assistance programs, and their income limits are higher. Right? You go look at your city down payment assistance programs, your state down payment assistance programs, right? All these different programs, their income limits are much lower than what USDA allows. So that is the new 2025 income limit updates on USDA loans. Hey, let me know if you have any questions about USDA or just home buying in general. I'm Channing. You can go to my website, workwithchanning.com. I would love to help you.